Everyone, it's Joanne. So as a woman with mature skin, I have a shelf full of creams and serums for my face. Tallow balms are a new thing for me, and I really like them, so I wanted to try a few. So I received this one from the brand upon request, so I could test it out and give you my opinion. This is the Beef Tallow and Honey Balm, and it's one of those natural skincare products that feel simple, but it's really effective. So I actually put it back in the box so you can see how it comes packaged, and they did a bang-up job. And they gave me a nice little thank you note for ordering. So this is a personal note from the brand. And it comes with an applicator, which a lot of them do not. And look at this packaging. It keeps it secure and undamaged during its travels to my home. And then it gives you this little tab that you remove to open it up. And then it also has a safety cover on top of that to keep it fresh. Now, when you use your applicator and get the cream out, it's pretty thick in here. But when you warm it up between your fingers and the heat of your hand, it makes it nice and smooth and soft. So I like to rub it through my fingers a little bit, get it nice and soft, and it very quickly gets soft and mushy and smooth and blendable. So when you apply this to your skin, it leaves a moisturizing feeling, but not a greasy feeling, and it absorbs into the skin very quickly. So it feels soft and smooth. The beef tallow is awesome in general, but I like this product. This one is made of 100% grass-fed beef tallow, and it's blended with honey, so that's going to give you more natural ingredients. It's great for sensitive skin, too. It sure creates that rich moisturizer. It's a lot like your natural oils already found in your skin, and it contains vitamin A, D, E, and K. So these are all known for helping nourish the skin and support overall skin health. After the day is over, after using it consistently on my skin, it feels softer, it's more hydrated, and it looks healthier overall. So it's one of those moisturizers that works in multiple places on your face, your hands, your elbows, your neck. Anywhere you feel a little extra nourishment is needed for your skin, you will love it.